Oh, hey. Hey y'all, it's Mika and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different. Being that it is a new year coming up, 2021, please be good to us. My motto for 2021 is where the money reside.
We going. What a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside.
Period, okay? Sis, let me know what your motto or phrase or word is for 2021 in the comments below. I feel like digital vision boards work really good for me. They've always worked. Even one of my OG original videos is my digital vision board, but I found a way to make it easier, more simple, and anyone can do it on any device. The reason I like mine digitally and I feel like I'm more prone to work for the goals that I want is because it's on my phone screen. And honestly, I pick that up on an hourly basis. So if I can see that every hour, like, this is my goal, this is the intention, this is what I want, it just makes you want to work for it more. You know what I'm saying? So I've got my cup of tea. I'm drinking Teamy Detox tea. I actually think I still have a discount code with them. I think it's 50% off until like January 1st. So I'll go ahead and put that below in the description box. If you guys want to get a tea or a coffee, sit down, because I feel like vision board planning, you have to set an ambiance, okay? And once you have your ambiance set, you're good to go, okay? Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're into lifestyle kind of videos and fashion videos. These are the kind of videos that I provide for you, and the content is coming 2021, okay? It's coming. Okay, so my first tip for creating a vision board digitally is Pinterest. Pinterest is bae at this point. Pinterest is where you can get all your creative vibes flowing, your juices flowing. There are so many like mood boards on Pinterest that you can go for. If you're looking to get a house next year, you can go that kind of modern or classic or traditional, whatever it's called. If you want to change your career, you can do that. If you want to be, I don't know, why am I in housing? I'm thinking about interior decoration or anything like that. You can literally search anything on Pinterest and there is a pin for it. The way I do this is I save a few pins that really resonate with me and that I feel. I save it to its own board and I private it so no one else can see. Sometimes I feel like you want to keep things to yourself that can be personal, so you don't want to share it with the whole wide world, you know what I'm saying? And then once I've collected my mood board together, I go ahead and jump on Canva. Now Canva is literally bae. I use Canva for my thumbnails. I use Canva for my IG stories. I use Canva for everything, and it's free, which is even better, okay? So what you do is you log into Canva and then you choose the Instagram story format, blank template, and we're ready to get started. From Pinterest, you will save your pictures and upload them to Canva, so that way you have everything one workspace. Once you're in Canva, all you have to do is take your pictures and move them to wherever you feel they will fit on your vision board. Now, one thing I didn't do last year was I didn't keep in mind of the time and date that's on your phone. So I kind of want to keep a clear space right here. That way I can have everything around it. So a good way to do this is to screenshot your screen as it is now. This is a little bonus tip for y'all. Screenshot your phone as it is right now at the time and date, and then take that over to Canva as well, and you can keep the opacity, is that the word? Opacity on it, and just put it down a little bit so you can move your vibe around it. And once you have everything around it, you can just go ahead and delete that part because you won't need it anymore, and then save. And then all you have to do is save it to your camera roll and use as wallpaper. And this is how I do it. It's super easy, super simple, and no need to be drawn out. I know that vision boards are a very good way to work towards your goals, to manifest, to pray on, to see daily. I think vision boards are really good for that. I think everyone should have one. Even if you have one just saved in your camera roll to look at every day, if you don't want it on your lock screen, or one on your tablet, or one as your wallpaper on your laptop. There's just multiple options you can use. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Always, always, always remember to spread love, inspire others, and strive for greatness. And I'll see y'all soon. Bye.